Okay, so now we're going to shift gears for a moment to one of Jim's students. So Jim, come on up, talk to us for a second. And Jared, come on up.
Hi, everybody. I have been working with Jared since we opened, and he's great. And to my pleasure, I think thanks to his parents, he has excellent taste in music. So what he's going to do is he's going to play a collection of his favorite guitar intros. So this out of the way, so let's see. I'm going to not drop anything. Yeah, I'm not. Okay. Can you turn it up? That sounds like it. Okay. Oh, sure. Okay. The first one's going to be Radar Love by Golden Earring. And then the next one, he's going to play the intro to Wicked Game by Chris Isaak. And the next one's going to be Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. The next one's going to be for Elise.
Yes, get on the guitar.
The last one is going to be the theme to James Bond. Oh, it's on. Thank you very much, everyone. That was great. Great job.
Okay, next up is Marcus. Marcus, come on up. So Marcus is doing a bunch of things for us today. The first is the final installment of our Michael Rowe, Your Boat Ashore. So you'll see where you can take the chords as you have more years of lessons. I mean, we've been doing lessons for years now, so this is pretty cool. So we've got Michael Rowe. Then he's going to play a song and change the sound on the keyboard so that you guys can hear a little harpsichord. And he's going to give a little presentation of harpsichord thing that he made, which I thought was really cool. And then he's going to end with some blues, improvising basically off of a chord progression. So, all right, so go ahead.
So my next song is Polonaise. It was played by Bach, and it was originally played on the harpsichord. And the harpsichord is similar to the piano. In fact, it was the instrument that was used before piano was invented. And after I finished the song, I got interested in how the harpsichord worked. And it turns out that the harpsichord is very similar to the piano in how it works, as well as in how it looks. And after after I learned how the harpsichord works, I decided to build a working Lego model of it. You'll be able to see this closer up after the display table or something. But for those of you who are close enough, here it is. And so basically, the way it works is when you press the key down, it pushes the inside pushes the jack up, and then the plucker, or as it's called, plectrum, which is attached to it, plucks the string, or in this case the rubber band, and so it plucks that, and that's the note, and then when the jack and the plectrum come back down after you take your hand off, the plectrum actually moves around the string so that it doesn't pluck it back on its way back down. So I'm actually going to play a song now that was played by Bach.